Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you some easy ways to fix the Google Play Store when it is not responding on your Android device. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. The simplest fix is to restart your phone. Hold down the power button, then tap restart. Then try opening the Play Store again. If that does not work, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Google Play Store. Scroll down and go to storage. And here tap clear cache. If the problem continues, also tap clear data to reset the app. Third step is to check internet connection. Sometimes the issue is with your internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the Play Store loads properly. Step 4. Update Google Play services. The Play Store depends on Google Play services. So for that, go to settings again. And here again, select apps. Use the search icon at the top right and search Google Play services. Here, if an update is available, install it. And if nothing works, try uninstalling recent updates. For that, tap on this three-dot menu icon at the top right and tap uninstall updates. This will roll back the app and then it will auto update to the latest version. And that's it. Try these methods and your Play Store should start working again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.